Now, forewarned weather with ExactTrack 4D radar. Exclusive technology for the most up-to-the-minute weather information in your neighborhood.
For just a second, before we dial in on our weather, look at this is the scene in Colorado. Rather different from what is going on here in Michigan right now. We have seen snow in some of the usual suspect places, but here we continue with this unseasonably mild November. Let's go over to Kim.
It doesn't even feel like we're in pumpkin spice season yet, right? We're still lingering from summertime. It's been a beautiful day, a little breezy, and temperatures not quite as warm as they were earlier in the week, but we're still above average for this time of year. 61 in Detroit, upper 50s in Ann Arbor, 56 in Pontiac, and low 60s now in Monroe. If you're headed out to one of the playoff games for Friday night football, nice. I mean, usually you're freezing cold at these games. It'll be chilly, but definitely there have been worse playoff games for high school football. Or if you're headed up north, bow season is going on right now, gun season November 15th, I believe. It's warm. It's really warm, especially for this time of year, and it's not cooling down much at night either. Now, that same system that brought Colorado all that snow that you just saw, that's going to bring us some rain for the second half of the weekend, but we are warm enough to where it will obviously come in as all rain. So I started this at 4 o'clock on Saturday. Between now and then, just partly cloudy skies. Saturday evening into about 9 o'clock at night, could be some showers out to our north and west, but the majority of the rain here in southeast lower Michigan will hold off until right around daybreak on Sunday, moving from west over to the east side. It will linger a little longer on the east side, but should be gone by about 12 or 1 o'clock. So I think we can salvage at least part of the day on Sunday. And then by Sunday evening, just some clouds lingering around that will be, for the most part, gone by the time we get to Veterans Day. Upper 50s, just a couple clouds. Temps remain above normal for this time of year. So your forecast for tonight, we dropped down to 37. Now that's at the airport, so it will be a little chillier in the suburbs, but we're still not talking about a hard freeze yet. Mainly clear skies. Winds will be out of the north-northeast, right around 5 miles per hour. For the day tomorrow, it's dry, so if you have yard work you need to get done, get those leaves raked up, whatever you need to do, tomorrow is definitely going to be the day to do it, because we, as you saw, are going to get that rain that will come in sometime overnight Sunday into Sunday morning, and those leaves are just going to be soggy, wet, and heavy. Winds will be out of the east-southeast, only about 5 to 10 miles per hour, so not quite as breezy to start the weekend. Future forecast, let's spend a little time on this, even though it's quite honestly not all that interesting. I mean, we're in the 50s, no big things to kind of jump out at you, with the exception of some morning rain on Sunday, and then our next chance for rain would be Wednesday night into Thursday. Thursday could be a soggy day with highs only in the 50s, but I want to draw your attention to the lows, because our lows are also just as mild as our daytime highs. So I don't know about those, snowman cookies, but it's
did I hear a
worried.
sigh of depression when I mentioned that from back then? I don't think so. I don't think it bothers you that much.
It was more of a gasp, I believe. What?
No snowman cookie.
I don't even drink coffee. I just go there for that.